So today's topic is consignment account. So first we'll start with what does consignment means. Consignment means what? Goods sent to a person that is not the owner but is responsible for selling them. What happens is there is a consigner and there is a consignee in the consignment account. Now who is the consigner? Consigner is the principal. Who is the consignee? Consignee is the agent. Now what happens here is, suppose we take an example that I have a field of mango. Okay, so there are tons of mangoes. So what do? I cannot sell them alone. So what do? Find some agents and I'll give them some quantities to sell them there. तो व्हाट डज एजेंट डू कि ओके हमको भेज दो ये गुड्स, हम उसको सेल करेंगे और सेल करने के बाद वॉट एवर मनी जो भी उसका सेल करने के बाद में हमको सेल प्रोसीड्स आएगा, व्हाट डज द एजेंट रिटर्न्स दैट मनी टू द कंसाइनर. क्या मांगता है एजेंट? कमीशन मांगता है. ठीक है, सो कमीशन के बदले वो सेल करता है और जो भी सेल किया हुआ प्रोसीड्स है वो किसको देता है? कंसाइनर को देता है. सो सपोज वी टेक अ एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे कि ए इज़ अ होलसेलर ऑफ द मैंगोज. दिस ए is the wholesaler of the mangoes who is sending these goods to B. A is principal and B is agent. Now what happens is consignor को consignee तक goods भेजने के लिए बहुत सारे expenses incur करने पड़ेंगे. जैसे कि क्या? मैंगो की कॉस्ट. अब जैसे मैंगो आप बोलोगे कि मैंगो की कॉस्ट क्या होगी, तो वो फील्ड में मैंगोज प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए कॉस्ट लगेगी, विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज मैंगो कॉस्ट. एंड देन जो कंसाइनर विल सेंड द गुड्स फ्रॉम कंसाइनर प्लेस टू द कंसाइनी प्लेस. सो व्हाट विल हैपन इज he will incur other so many expenses. So those many expenses are what? Carriage, freight, loading expenses are incurred by Mr. A. Who is Mr. A? Mr. A is the consigner. Now what happens is there is Mr. A. Mr. A who is a consigner. Okay, consigner, what all expenses will be incurred by the consigner? Loading cost, carriage freight, clearing charges. Clearing charges are incurred by the consignee, but these expenses are incurred before clearance. So that's why this will be included in the cost of acquisition of inventories. Next is Mr. B who is the consignee. और जो बाद में के expenses हो रहे हैं such as warehouse, storage, packing, selling, all these expenses are incurred by the consignee. Now consignee क्या करता है? ये सारे expenses incur करता है जब उसके पास goods आ जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो all these expenses are not to be considered as a cost of purchase. दिस इज़ नॉट टू बी कंसिडर्ड एज कॉस्ट ऑफ परचेज और इसीलिए इन्वेंट्री वैल्यूएशन के लिए दिस एक्सपेंसेस आर नॉट कंसिडर्ड. ऑल दिस एक्सपेंसेस आर कंसिडर्ड फॉर वैल्यूएशन ऑफ इन्वेंट्रीज टिल द गुड्स रीच द प्रीमाइसेस ऑफ द कंसाइनी. सी, टिल द गुड्स रीच द premises of the consignee. So many journal entries are passed in. So when you do normal sales, so consignment is not a sale. इट इज़ जस्ट दैट कि प्रिंसिपल एजेंट को गुड्स देता है एंड एजेंट उसको बेच के जो भी पैसा कलेक्ट होता है उससे वो उसको कंसाइनर को भेज देता है. सो दिस इज़ नॉट अ सेल. So what happens is sale happens afterwards when consignee sells the goods. So what happens here is this is not sale. So what entry you will pass? Consignment account debit. Consignment to whatever, whoever is the consignee, that account. Suppose in this question consignee is Rawat. So consignment to Rawat. अकाउंट डेबिट टू गुड्स सेंट ऑन कंसाइनमेंट. आप बोलोगे ऐसे एंट्री क्यों पास की है? सो येस्टरडे वी हैव सीन द बेसिक गोल्डन रूल्स ऑफ अकाउंट सच एज क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट एंड डेबिट द रिसीवर. एक्सपेंसेस इनकर्ड बाय कंसाइनर. जो कुछ भी एक्सपेंसेस इनकर होते हैं ऊपर में हमने देखा है कि लोडिंग, कैरेज, फ्रेट एक्सपेंसेस विच आर इनकर्ड while consignment by the consigner. So what does the consigner pass the entry? Consignment account debit to bank or cash account. Normally we pass the entry as expenses account debit to bank, but this expenses are on account of consignment, so we are passing the entry as consignment account debit to bank account. Now when expenses are incurred by consignee, कुछ expenses consignee भी incur कर रहा है such as clearing charges or whatever expenses कंसाइनी इज इनकरिंग. एक्सपेंसेस आर इनकर्ड बाय कंसाइनी. कंसाइनी उसका खर्चा करता है ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ कंसाइनर. तो कंसाइनी क्या, कंसाइनर क्या एंट्री पास करेगा उसकी? कंसाइनमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू कंसाइनी अकाउंट, राइट. तो एक्सपेंसेस इज द नॉमिनल अकाउंट एंड क्रेडिट द गिवर. सो कंसाइनी इज द गिवर ऑफ द एक्सपेंसेस. सो कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, दिस इज द May 2018 question number 2 question of consignment for 10 marks. Right, 10 marks are important. So this is very simple guys, this problem is not so hard. The questions say Shri Ganpat of Nagpur consigns 500 cases of goods for costing. अब गणपत क्या कर रहा है? गणपत इज कंसाइनर हु इज कंसाइनिंग द गुड्स टू हुम? रावत ऑफ जयपुर. क्या कर रहा है? 500 केसेस. अब वो केसेस किसके हैं पता नहीं. सो यू कैन अज्यूम कि सपोज वो केसेस मैंगोज के है सपोज. सो हाउ मेनी केसेस आर देयर? 500 केसेस ऑफ रुपीज़ 1500. इफ यू डू द कैलकुलेशन 1500 इंटू 500, सो कंसाइनमेंट कितने का है? रुपीज़ 7,50,000. All these are the expenses incurred by the consignor. What all expenses are incurred by the consignor? Carriage, freight, loading charges. These all are expenses incurred by the consignor. ऊपर में हमने डायग्राम में देखा था कि consignor क्या क्या expense incur करता है. Then what is happening here? Rawat sells 300 cases for 2100 per case. 2100 into 350. How much? This sales. Right, 735,000 is the sales made by Rawat. Now what all expenses are incurred by Rawat? Clearing charges, warehousing, storage, packing and selling expenses. Now I said clearing charges are the charges which are incurred before it reaches consignee. So clearing charges will be included in the cost of valuation of inventories, and the other two expenses, these two expenses will not be incurred in the valuation of inventory because these expenses are incurred after this reaches the consignee. So warehousing and storage, 25,000 and 7,000 are the expenses incurred after they are reached the consignee. So these expenses will not be included while valuation of the inventories, right? 50 cases are lost in transit. Other 50 cases are in transit. And Rawat is entitled to commission of 10% of gross sales. Gross sales are how much? 735,000. So 10% of 735,000 is orally you can calculate is 73,500 rupees, right? Draw up the consignment account and Rawat's account in the books of Ganpat. Ganpat is who? Is the consignor. So we'll solve the answer now. In the books of Shri Ganpat, Ganpat is the consignor. Consignment account to Rawat of Jaipur. Particulars amount. Now what is happening? Goods are sent on consignment of how much? ऊपर में हमने देखा था 7,50,000 to bank. Expenses, what all expenses are incurred? Carriage, loading, freight, all these expenses are incurred. So we have done the total, that comes to 75,000. Now Rawat is also incurring the expenses. ये सारे expenses हम consignment में तो लेंगे. For valuation of inventories, we don't include only the expenses which are incurred after it reaches the consignee. But in consignment account, we include all the expenses incurred by consignor as well as expenses incurred by consignee. So all the expenses will be debited here. Now then commission is also given to Rawat. 10% of 735,000. Gross sales ऊपर देखा था हमने, gross sales का 10%. So that comes to 73,500. Now next comes is sales. Now Rawat has sold how many cases? 350 cases, right? 350 into 2100. 350 cases have been sold by Rawat. So what we are doing? 350 into 2100, which comes to 735,000. Now some goods are lost in transit. ऊपर क्वेश्चन में देखा था कि 50 cases are lost in transit. अब वैल्यूएशन कैसा किया है? I'll show you here. Now see 7,500 goods का cost है. We have seen here 7,500 goods का cost and consignor's expenses 75,000 are the consignor's expenses that are included to value the inventory. So now 825,000 divided by 500 cases, that comes to 1650 per case. So that is called as goods lost in transit. So 50 cases into 1650, which comes to 82,500. Now we have to do the valuation of inventories. See, हमने ऊपर देखा था कि for valuation of inventories, there is a consignor, there is a consignee. All these expenses before reaching consignee are included for valuation of inventories, and all this warehousing, storage, packing are all not included for the valuation of inventory. Value that see goods cleared are 500 sent, 50 lost in transit, 50 in transit. So 400 only are cleared. So 18,000 is the cost. What is this cost? This is clearing cost. Who have done the clearing cost? Clearing cost is incurred by the consignee before it reaches the consignee. Right, before it reaches the factory of the consignee, these expenses are incurred. That's why these expenses only are included in valuation of inventories. So how many cases are cleared? 400 cases are cleared. So cost per case is 45 per case, right? in hand, how much is consignment in hand? 400 are cleared, 350 are sold by consignee. तो स्टॉक में कितना बचा है अभी? 50 आर इन स्टॉक, लेफ्ट इन स्टॉक. सो 50 केसेस इन स्टॉक. 1650 हमने पहले वैल्यूएशन देखा था कि 1650 वैल्यूएशन आया है. सी हियर दिस 1650, राइट? दिस 1650 प्लस दिस 45, this 45. This valuation comes to 50 cases into 1695, which comes to 84,750. That's how this valuation in consignment by consignment in inventories in hand 50 into 1695, which comes to 84,750. But जो consignment in transit है, which is not even cleared, so उसका क्या रहेगा? 50 are in transit, which is not cleared, so that comes to 1650. This 1650. This is bought here, and this 1650 into 50 comes to 82,500. That's how this consignment account is done. Now what will happen? Rawat is very easy. Rawat account में क्या क्या जाएगा? Rawat's expenses incurred by Rawat, expenses incurred by Rawat, commission of Rawat, goods sold by Rawat. These all things will be shifted in Rawat's account. What is happening? कंसाइनमेंट टू जयपुर 735,000. ये एंट्री क्या है? दिस इज द एंट्री ऑफ सेल्स. दिस इज द एंट्री ऑफ सेल्स. नाउ दिस इज व्हाट कंसाइनमेंट एक्सपेंसेस जो कंसाइनी मीन्स रावत ने बेयर किया है. कंसाइनमेंट एक्सपेंसेस बेयर्ड बाय रावत आर 50,000. देन कमीशन, उसका जो कमीशन है वो काट लेगा 73,500. ये उसके कमीशन के एक्सपेंसेस है तो ये वो रख लेगा. और जो भी बचा हुआ बैलेंस है, दिस बैलेंस, दिस हैज़ टू बी गिवन टू कंसाइनर. ये जो बैलेंस बचा है, अभी हमने क्या देखा था कि कंसाइनी इज जस्ट अ एजेंट, तो वो अपना कमीशन डिडक्ट करेगा. ये अपना कमीशन डिडक्ट करेगा और जो बचा हुआ मनी है ये क्या करेगा? ये पे कर देगा कंसाइनर को. बट सिंस हम ये अज्यूम कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे कि इसने पे नहीं किया है, दिस इज पेएबल, दैट्स वाई वी आर सेइंग दैट बैलेंस कैरिड आउट 611,500. So this is how you can score your 10 marks. So please guys, you can revise here. If you like this video, you can share this video. Thank you.